I want to talk about this Endoscope camera that NIDAGE sent me to do a video on. If you need to get a look into some tight spaces, this might just be what you need. Now, operation is very easy. You're going to power it on right here. And there you go. You can see the camera right here. It's got a little light right on the end, so it can illuminate exactly what you're looking for. I don't need to do any scoping today, but we're just going to kind of take a look inside my engine to look around. And right here, if you need to rotate the image, see right there, it'll rotate. If you need to adjust the lighting, you can do so as well. Right here, if you need to zoom in on something, right there. So you've got quite a bit of optionality as far as this, and getting inside of a tight space, see exactly what's going on. So if you've ever tried to look inside a tight space and just couldn't see what's going on, this guy is going to instantly make your life easier. This is the NIDAGE 3.9mm endoscope camera. What makes this stand out right away is how incredibly slim this is. It's about 3.9mm thick, about half the size of standard probes, which means you can get really into tight areas or even behind walls without taking things apart. And once you're inside, you're not guessing at what you're doing. You know exactly what you're looking at. It has 1920p HD camera paired with a 4.3-inch IPS screen, so you get a clear real-time view right on the device, no phone or app needed. And that's really a big advantage if you're working in messy environments where you don't want to risk your phone or get it all dirty touching it with grubby hands. The 5-foot semi-rigid cable is another key feature. It's flexible enough to move through tight spaces, but still stiff enough to hold its shape so you can guide it exactly where you need it. Plus, with 6 adjustable LED lights, you can easily see in dark or low light areas, which is where tools like this really shine. And since it's IPX67 waterproof, you can even use it in damp or wet environments without worrying about damage. So this also makes it great for auto repair, engine inspections, home maintenance and plumbing checks, HVAC or wall inspections, and DIY projects and troubleshooting. It's also designed to be comfortable to use with a handheld ergonomic build that makes longer inspections very easy. Overall, it's practical, time-saving, and it's a tool that helps you see exactly what's going on in places you normally couldn't even reach. So if you like fixing things, diagnosing problems, or just want a really useful gadget in your toolbox, this thing is definitely worth checking out.
If you'd like to pick up one for your toolbox, click on the link in the description below.